is a big ocean of knowledge. So have a huge applause. तासु रिसर्च के सब क्वेश्चंस दी अब तासु तदे एड्रेस कई पदा अनकन्वेंशनल तरीके से तासु कम थॉट ऑफ खुद तासु रिसोर्सेज पर संगा यूटिलाइज कर रहे अवेलेबल रिसोर्सेज पर संग तासु संग में जनरेशन ऑफ नॉलेज कर रहे प्रोडक्ट्स मार्केटेबल प्रोडक्ट्स पर संगा साज है पदनन सबा दौर दे उस आगा 1:30 बजे तक कड़ी और इंशाल्लाह कल द थीसिस मुतालिक सब क्वेश्चंस दी keep it with you तासु बसर सरउस शेयर कर रहे
When you are nowhere and you are starting a project, let us start from there. Divide it into questions. What, why, how. What, why, how, and when. These are 4 questions. From where does that what comes? You studied for 12 years or 14 years physics. You studied chemistry. You studied different disciplines. You have something in your mind that if I got an opportunity, I can change, I can develop this type of product. I can give a better understanding of this particular theory or law or principle. So from there you get your what you are working on. But that must have a reason. You have to justify it because you are wasting your precious mind. You are wasting your precious life. You are wasting enormous resources of universities. You are wasting your parents' money and they are hoping for something from you. So that what must have a reason, and the reason can be, is it of academic significance what you are working on? Is it of academic significance? Is it of economic significance? Is it of a specific engineering or scientific significance? So if it is of economic significance, it never means that you will have to say that yes, people will buy it. No, you will have to show the data that how much is its global market today. If you are making an optoelectronic device, if you are developing a circuit, if you are developing a specific material, then look into the global market. Is there any global market for it? And how much is its increase per annum? If it is decreasing, then don't waste your time on that. If it is increasing, then focus upon that. You are on the right track. So you thought that I am, for example, my what is effect of calcium substitution in strontium niobate or barium titanate. That from there you got your topic. Then you write in one para a few sentences, not more than 5 sentences, its significance, what it is in first sentence. Then in the next sentence, what is its significance, and in the 3rd, 4th and 5th sentence, any background knowledge about that which justifies your earlier sentences. So you answered the what